yesterday, you had a chance to kind of look at the whole story, How the Maid Set Fire in the Dark. Today, we're going to look at the same story, but this time I'm going to have you looking specifically at some of the words and the phrases that authors use. So we kind of talked about the big ideas. Now we're going to start looking really closely to see what some of those words and phrases might be. And then to think about why did the author use those words or phrases. So with your highlighter, I want you to go searching through that story and highlight this phrase. This phrase. If you already have a lot of highlighting on your text, you can circle it. Crumples or underline it. Crumples like a coat and cries, my brave papa cries. Crumples like a coat and cries, my brave papa cries. So please highlight that part. If you've already highlighted it in a circle or something, make that phrase pop out at you. Now, remember how yesterday I had you do a little bit of work independently, and then you got a chance to talk with your reading partner?
Yes.
So I'm going to have you do kind of the same thing today. I would love for you, in your own reader's notebook, to think. I'm asking you to kind of linger on this phrase. I want you to be thinking about this phrase by yourself first. I would love for you to listen first to your own thinking. So I want you to analyze the author's word choice. Kind of linger on that phrase and think, well, why did the author write this simile? Crumples like a coat and cries, my brave papa. Thinking, linger on it, analyze it, and then in your reader's notebook, just jot really quickly. I think Cisneros, that's the author, I think Cisneros wrote this simile to show. So go ahead and just do that independently first, and then I'll give you a chance to talk. So we're lingering on this phrase. I think Cisneros wrote this simile to show Cisneros wrote this simile to show. Be thinking about that. In such a short story, every word counts, right? Because this is a short story. So every word really counts. So why do you think she wrote this simile? What's the purpose of that?
I think it's to show the severity of the situation, but they have to compact in a sentence. Because if she had to say, like, he broke down, like, bawling, crying and stuff, that would take, and it wouldn't be as...
Can you say that again? That was so smart, the way you just said that. Say that again.
I think the reason that she used that simile is to show the severity of the situation, but to compact it down, because, like you said, in a short story, every word counts. So if she were to have to write like a whole sentence saying, my papa broke down crying, and that would take longer and it wouldn't be as impactful on the reader, because when you use similes, it's showing that it's important to like actually pay attention to that part of the story and might maybe reread it.
I could not have said that any better myself. I love it. This shows the severity of the situation in a short, compacted, condensed way, especially in a short story. And I love how you thought about the reader. It has a strong impact on the reader. And you even said that a simile signals to the reader, alert, alert, this is important. So important that I'm comparing it to something, right? I want you to visualize that. Anybody else? I think Cisneros wrote this simile to show. I want to add on to that. Yes.
I think that Cisneros wrote the simile to show how upset the dad was and how how much he must have loved like Abuelito, you know, to show like he must have been close with her and had a good relationship with.
Let me just clarify that really quickly for you. Abuelito means grandpa, in Spanish. But you said something in the beginning. You said to demonstrate how close they were. So it helps demonstrates how close the relationship was, huh? And how devastated he really is. Okay. I do want to give you a chance to talk to your reading partner about this. So go ahead and talk with your reading partner. Partner B, go first today. So partner B, just say, expand on this. Ready, go.
I think Susanna wrote this simile to show the depth of emotions that Papa is feeling and the
To show how sad
Papa is really
to show how sad Papa was.
I think so too, because how he says my brave Papa is crying. I think brave is like a simile. No, not a simile. Like
And to just help them
a
understand
antonym
what
for
was going on.
synonym for like strong, and he normally doesn't cry, and like he just cried, and so I think it's like letting out his emotions and how sad he is.
Readers, readers, can I get your attention?
Yeah.
In 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing things are happening over here. You're talking about the author, how the author kind of takes the reader through this like journey, right? I saw you even going like this. That's really great. And you did something so smart. You lingered on one word within the phrase. So you were really going deep with brave doesn't seem to fit with crumples, crying, right? So how interesting that even within the phrase that I asked you to really analyze and kind of linger on a little bit, you found a word. So this is, you were trying to find the word, is it an antonym or a synonym? This word doesn't fit with the rest of what's happening in this phrase, right? So Papa, the narrator's dad, or Papa in Spanish, is usually really brave. Now all of a sudden, not so brave, right? So I love how you picked out one word within the phrase I asked you. You're really thinking about the words and phrases and how they fit together and why. But today, I'm going to ask you, when you're reading your own independent books, to be searching for similes, but not just finding them, thinking, why on earth would the author choose to put that simile right there? What does that simile show? Linger on it a little bit, right? When an author does something like that, linger, analyze, think. Look at the way that the words are kind of written in that phrase. So as you're reading your own independent books, if you can be looking for that, that would be great today. Okay?